Yo, what's up mga ka-Blind Explorer? Yan, kamusta na kayo ngayon? Welcome back sa panibago nating video. At ngayon, bago tayo magsimula pala guys, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, share at subscribe. At shoutout na rin pala guys sa inyo lahat na nanonood. Yan. Kung gusto nyo pala guys magpa-shoutout, comment lang kayo sa comment section at kung may time i-shoutout natin, shoutout ko kayo. At ayun, shoutout lang din kay Mr. Charlie Bordan. Ayan, nagpapa-shoutout siya sa atin. Sa last na in-upload ko, nag-comment siya. Ayan. Shoutout sa iyo Mr. Charlie Bordan yan. So, ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin is ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano magpalakas ng internet connection or paano palakasin ang internet connection natin or mobile data kung medyo mahina ang signal. So, yan, gagamit lang tayo ng isang application, lalakas na yung internet natin guys, or yung mobile data natin, or kung ano man yung gamit natin na pang provide ng network. Yan. So, ngayon, bago tayo magsimula nga, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, share at subscribe. So, ayan. So, una natin gawin, open natin yung application. Napin natin.
Accessibility button, home, search apps text box, 1.1.1.1.
So, ito yung pangalan niya guys, 1.1.1.1. Ayan. Kung gusto niyo pala guys i-download, lalagay ko lang sa comment section yung link. Although, pwede naman siya sa Play Store, pero mas maganda to.
Accessible 1.1.1.1.
Meron din naman ito sa Play Store, ilalagay ko lang sa link ilalagay ko sa comment section yung link, ipipin natin doon.
1.1.1.1.
Yan, open natin.
What is warp?
Yan. So, meron dito nakalagay ito.
Next button. What is warp? When the internet was built, computers weren't mobile. Those days are long gone. The assumptions made 30 years ago are now making your internet experience slow and insecure. 1.1.1.1 with warp replaces the connection between your phone and the internet with a modern, optimized protocol.
So, ayan.
Next button.
So, next lang natin.
Private application icon. Image representing 1.1.1.1. Terms and accept button. Image representing 1.1.1.1. Terms and conditions. Our commitment to privacy. What happens when you allow 1.1.1.1 to add a VPN configuration? The 1.1.1.1 app will now install a VPN profile that enables us to intercept and secure your DNS queries and to transmit data from your device through the Cloudflare network, depending on the services you have enabled. We only collect limited DNS query and traffic data, excluding payload, that is sent to our network when you have the app enabled on your device. All information is handled in accordance with our privacy policy. What does Cloudflare do with your data?
Yan, may mga kailangan, kung hindi nyo masyado maintindihan, kailangan basahin nyo yan guys.
Cloudflare stores the absolute minimum amount of data we believe is required to provide the 1.1.1.1 service. We will not sell, rent, share, or otherwise disclose your personal information to anyone except as necessary to provide our services, or as otherwise described in this policy without first providing you with notice and the opportunity to consent. We do not use the data to identify who you are or what you are doing on the internet beyond the exceptions below. We do not store any data except as... Here's how Cloudflare stores the absolute minimum amount of data we believe is required to provide the 1.1.1.1 service. We will not sell. Here's how Cloudflare uses
yan guys,
data.
kung hindi nyo siya maintindihan, basahin nyo lang yan guys at maintindihan nyo din yan.
Registration ID, data transferred. We track the average speed. Aggregate news. Visit this page to learn more about our privacy. Visit this page to learn by accepting. You have declined button. Accept button.
So, accept natin yan.
Application icon 1.1.1.1. Image representing the keep up to date. Allow notifications to receive important app updates. Allow notifications button.
So, i-allow lang natin yan. Allow natin.
Permission allow 1.1.1.1 to send new notifications. Allow button.
Allow lang natin yan.
You will now receive notifications.
Yan.
Guide button. Settings button. Unlimited. Off not check switch. Disconnected. Your internet is not private.
Yan. Then niya kung your internet is not private, so i-on natin yan.
Disconnect. Off not check switch. On.
Yan, i-on natin.
Connecting. Updating connection
So,
info.
ayan. So, guys, kung hindi pa pala kayo nakapag-install ng VPN, yan, magpa-pop up naman yun kung kailangan nyo pa mag-install ng VPN. Ayan. Sa akin kasi naka-install na yung VPN profile. Yung tawag. Ayan.
Settings button. Unlimited. Uncheck switch. Connected.
So, ayan, ang connected na. Ibig sabihin, malakas na yung internet natin. So, para pala guys, hindi siya mamatay, kailangan nakalock siya dito. Ayan. Tignan natin sa Ayan, kailangan
System
nakalock siya.
1.1. More button.
Tingnan natin kung nakalock.
Floating with split screen unavailable. Unlock unavailable.
So, ibig sabihin nakalock na siya.
Home.
So, kahit i-close on nyo lahat, hindi
Home
na
screen
siya
1 of 6.
hindi na siya mamamatay. Kaya, ayan. So, tingnan naman natin kung para isa pang paraan para hindi siya mamatay. Ang gawin natin, punta tayo settings.
VPN. Permissions. VP3 Versat. Subtoken settings. Button. Settings. Sign and airplay. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth off. Wi-Fi delete. Bluetooth mobile network. Bluetooth Wi-Fi. Bluetooth mobile network. Connection and sharing.
So, dito tayo guys sa
Connection and
connection and sharing.
Personal hot VPN. Private DNS.
So, pindutin nyo
VPN.
itong VPN.
VPN. 1. Device settings button 1.1.1.1 connected / always on enabled. Device
So,
settings
pindutin
button.
nyo to. Ayan,
1.
device
Cancel
settings.
button. Add button is 1. Version 6.3 always on VPN. Block all connections not using VPN off.
Ito.
Always on VPN on.
Ito yan guys. I-check nyo lang yan para mag-on or para hindi siya mamatay. So,
Home button. Home
ayan.
screen 1 of
Ganyan
6.
lang siya guys. At ayan lang guys. Sana natuwa kayo sa ating video ngayon guys. At ayun.
Notification shade.
Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like kung nagustuhan nyo yung
Overview button.
video na ito. At ayun, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, share, at subscribe. So, yun lang guys.
Screen stop. Pause.
Ah,
Stop.
see you in my next video.